Hello guys, my name is Naveed and welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it's a very long time but now I am back. So today we'll discuss how we can divide AI algorithm into different you can say classes. So I want to give you the two ways to think about like how you can categorize or how you can divide AI or machine learning algorithm into two classes. The first is grouping of algorithm by their learning style, how they learn, and second grouping method is how they are you can say similar to from one another. So we will divide you can say around about 5 to 6 classes, how we can divide AI algorithm. First one you can say regression based algorithms. Regression based means linear regression, logistic regression, stepwise regression. So number one, regression. Number two, instance based methods means k nearest neighbor, learning, vector quantization, self organizing map. Number third is decision tree learning, means tree based learning algorithm like C4.5, CART, ID3. Number four are kernel methods. First algorithm, when you listen about kernel keyword, yes, you are right. Sport vector machine, radial basis network, linear discriminant analysis (LDA). Fifth one is artificial neural networks like perceptron, Hopfield, backpropagation. So these were the you can say the five classes, five categorizations in which we can you can say divide our AI algorithm. We can say like how many categorization? Five categorization, but you can increase that, you can decrease that, depend upon your definition, your understanding. So thank you very much for listening me. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Let's meet another video. Thank you very much.